But there's a lot we know we can do. Our education systems of reading and writing are now obsolete. We need to start there. We will not have a place at this table if our kids can't do maths and they can't code and they don't do science in school. And we keep wanting to speak French and English. No, sir. We have to go back and focus fundamentally in the education system. That's where we start. Okay? Our young people, we have to skill them. We can be hustlers, yes, and we're a continent of hustlers. But a hustler with no skills in the age of AI will sleep hungry. Okay? We need to skill them. And the tools are there right now. It's not tomorrow. We can skill millions of our kids for the age of AI.